CWEB, Health News, MedTech Products issues voluntary recall of Little Remedies, honey cough syrup due to microbial contamination. MedTech Products, Inc., a subsidiary of Prestige Consumer Healthcare, Inc., has announced a voluntary nationwide recall of 5 specific lots of Little Remedies honey cough syrup due to potential microbial contamination. The recall was officially initiated on June 17, 2025, following internal testing that identified the presence of Bacillus cereus in certain lots. The affected products were distributed across the United States via retail outlets and e-commerce platforms between December 14, 2022 and June 4, 2025. While healthy individuals are likely to experience only mild symptoms, immunocompromised individuals, including infants, the elderly, pregnant women, and those with weakened immune systems, are at elevated risk. Read the full article on CWEB.com.